super appreciate po yung effort na nandito kayo. And ayun po, abangan po natin yung Big Mama. Everyone, the production, the cast, we worked really hard for this po. Streaming on June 12, June 12 on Viva One po. Thank you.
Salamat po sa mga nagpunta ngayong gabi, sa press, sa mga fans, sa lahat sa inyo. Thank you for coming and please watch Dating Alice Perez, Viva One on June 12. For sure may agent nito.
Hey, Zeke.
Ito.
Hi. Galing sa'yo. So, I just really want to say thank you so much to the fans na nag-support po sa akin as the new trip din. I never would have expected this amount of support. And yeah, and thank you also to, of course, Dylan Minor for portraying Trip so well. As in, I look up to you, and of course, syempre, I watched season 1 because I want to portray Trip as well as you did. So thank you so much. Thank you so much to the fans. I love you guys, and I'll try my best as well. I promise you that.
Ayun, sa lahat po ng mga pumunta dito, sa mga press po, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you po kasi palagi niyo po kami pinupuntahan dito. And sa lahat ng mga fans na nandiyan palagi para sa amin, mahal na mahal ko kayo guys. Thank you, thank you. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Grabe, time flies now. I remember the first time na ganito tayo. I had my bangs, I was wearing a pink blazer. And now looking at the stage, everyone here is so accomplished. And I see the same faces in the audience, some new faces, some old faces, and I'm just so glad that we're all here gathered today for this press con. I'm so grateful to God for giving me a chance na magkaroon ng second season ng SDP. This time, titular na ako as Alice Perez. So, it's the biggest blessing of my 2026. You guys are my blessing. Thank you so much, Viva. Thank you for coming here and joining us in this special occasion. I really appreciate all of you, and I love you. I mean that from the bottom of my heart.
Fantastic! Very, very well said. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Muli, okay, I did promise you another